There you go. Today we work on this bad weather in a Jeep Wrangler. We will change the shaft bearing, also the shaft U-joint, sorry, also this bearing. It's a bit hard job because the bolt is old and it's take a while to take it out. But anyway, if you're looking for this part, that's exactly the part which you need. This is the measurement. This is the reference number. Let's see how it's done. I'll keep you updated. There you go. This is the second wrong part which they sent me. Absolutely useless. Is what kind of people work in this part shops. See, this one is not the right one. Snap means to stop the U-joint to move. I send them all measurements, everything correct, and still they send me the wrong part. Nightmare. Okay, after 3 weeks waiting the correct part, now it's fitted. I'm not gonna believe from what car is. It's from Hyundai. This is the part number. If you need for Jeep Wrangler 1993, this is the correct part. This is the original one. All the other shops which they selling part U-joint for this is incorrect, because I have it from gp.uk, from the other supplier. All of them is with 1-2 mil biggest, so you cannot fit it, but finally we fit it.